good evening to all of you friends of Bowers Beach and Bowers Museum. In just a few minutes, I'm going to try to paint a picture with words of what this town looked like before your time. I'm going to pick out 3 time periods. First, I go back 170 years. The year is 1844. The first written description I found of Bowers. A man writes, "I came to Bowers Beach for the first time. The town consisted of one dirt road with oyster shells, with about 25 little houses all along that street. At the end of the street on the beach was a large hotel. The town was a summer resort, and the residents did fishing and oystering."